Hello everyone, this is our lecture number 12 and topic of today's lecture is bar bending schedule. So what do you mean by bar bending schedule? It is generally referred as BBS, bar bending schedule. It is the process of listing the location, type, size, number and bending details of each bar for a reinforcement drawing of a structure. Generally, it is a process of location, type and size, number and all other details is called schedule. In context of reinforcement bar, it is called bar scheduling. In short, we call as a bar bending schedule. It is a way of organizing rebars of each structural unit, giving detailed reinforcement requirement. So we need bar bending schedule because in our structural drawing there are full plan area is given. We don't know which type of bar we use and how much the length of the bar, where we use vertical stirrup, where we use bent up bars and all things. For understanding of supervisor, we provide a bar bending schedule to him. So here in this topic we considered our beam part, how we make a bar bending schedule for a beam. So in our previous lecture we already considered this beam and we find different quantities of this beam, for example concrete, reinforcement, weight and formwork. So we know that reinforcement weight of each bar for a particular mode. Here we understand how we make a bar bending schedule for this reinforcement. So simply we have to make a table. Table contain type, shape, size, length, number, total length, unit weight and total weight. So you know that in our beam part we use main reinforcement. So we have to find the straight length of main reinforcement. So we have not enough time to calculate the length of straight bar. So we have to provide this schedule to supervisor so he or she easily understand what type of bar is provided and what is the length of that bar. So here we considered a 22 mm straight bar which is 852 meter as a straight length and 90 is the hook length. So we get here 8.92 as a length. We already find this length in our previous lecture. So if you want to understand how we find this, you have go to our previous lecture. Simply here we make this diagram and show them this is the length of straight bar of 22 mm dia and the weight of this bar. So the length of this bar is 8.92, total number is 4. So total length of bar means you provide this 4 bars, the total length of this bars is 35.6 cent and unit weight is 2.99. So you get 106.68 as a weight of main reinforcement. You provide in main reinforcement as a bent up bars. So for that you have to calculate X value, straight bar, hook value and crank length. So this value you get and final length is you get 9.43. This is also provide 4 in numbers. So you multiply this value and you get 37.72 as a total length and 2.5 per meter weight of reinforcement. So you have to multiply these two columns and you get 94.3 as a weight of reinforcement. This is our third bar which is the distribution bar. So you calculate same value like you calculate as a main bar. So here you get 8.74 as a length. You provide two anchor bar or distribution bar here. So you multiply this value and you get 7.48 as a answer and 0.89 per meter weight of reinforcement. You easily multiply this value and you get 15.56. You in our beam case you use three types of stirrups, two 10 mm stirrups and one 6 mm stirrups. These stirrups you provide at the end, this stirrup is you provide after the end and this stirrup you provide at the mid of the beam. So you have to calculate these value in different column. So first we calculate end stirrups. So this is the our stirrups. You have to calculate A and B value. So here you calculate A and B value, and you know that hook length is 12D for one part. So 12D is equal to 24D or 0.15 meter. So from calculation of this value you get 2.06 as the length, 17 number of total stirrups. So you multiply this and you get 35.02 as the answer, and 0.62 is the 1 meter weight of steel, and you get 21.71 as the answer of total weight. Simply you multiply this for 10 mm this bar, and you have to calculate 6 mm this bar. So this is the final weight which you already find in our previous lecture, but this lecture is focused on how we prepare the bar bending schedule and why we prepare bar bending schedule. So this is the concept for preparing the bar bending schedule. So you have to provide this schedule to supervisor, so he easily get the value of reinforcement as a length, as a number, and total weight. Thank you.